am Lam. I am sick. I am good. Hello, I am Nat. I am sick. I am good. How many cats are there? There is a cat. How many dogs are there? There are two dogs. How many clocks are there? There are three clocks. How many moths are there? There are four moths. How many pots are there? There are five pots. Goodbye.